Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I remain a Winfrey Valley. As promised in the first video, I'll be taking you through Google applications, and today I'll be going with you through the YouTube Google application. And YouTube is a widely used online platform for sharing, viewing videos. That is what YouTube does for us, and it is a platform overview content. YouTube hosts an array of content including videos, music videos, educational, tutorials, and so on. And for you to begin with, you go to Chrome. If it is already opened, then you open a new tab, and here we go. You click on YouTube. When you reach here in YouTube and you click these three dots, it shows you short subscriptions, downloads. It shows you very many things. When you tap on the YouTube, and this is what it shows you. As I told you, it shows you a variety or array of content, including music, educational video. For that purpose, educational video, for example, if you want to search about the periodic table, you want to learn about the Camtasia software, how to use it. Okay, let's start. You want to learn about the periodic table, you type the periodic, you tap here the periodic table. The periodic table, then you click here that search. You see, it shows us that the periodic table, atomic radius, ionization energy, and so many things. It shows you here how old the video is, and if you want to learn more about that video, you click on it. It is only 21 minutes, and you would have learned more about the periodic table. That is it. And if you want to learn again about the Camtasia 2023. For that matter, this is the newest version of Camtasia 2023. So if you want to search on it, you can search about Camtasia. And here it gives you very many options about it, so you can learn about it. And the most important thing also, when you are learning this, you should at least get recent videos. For example, at least this one, it is 1 year old, meaning these are recent updates. So you should consider that as a point when you are using YouTube for searching information, meaning you should look for recent information that has been released on the YouTube. Even this is 1 year. Actually, I may recommend this because this one has been released just 5 months ago. meaning it is the best video you can watch and learn about Camtasia. Okay guys, that's what I can tell you about YouTube. Otherwise, you can use YouTube for uploading your videos. If you want to make your tutorials, you want to teach people various things, you can use YouTube for uploading your videos and you share them so that people can get to know about them and to get to know what you are trying to teach them, what you are trying to tell them. Each and everything people will understand from there. Otherwise, thank you for moving together with me up to this point. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Meet you next time.